Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Etherscan verification for your deployed smart contract, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Etherscan verification for your deployed smart contract, start by visiting the Etherscan website. Locate the Verify Contract option on the home page. Click on this option to begin the verification process. You will be redirected to a page where you need to input the smart contract address. Enter the Ethereum address of the deployed contract you wish to verify. After entering the address, click the Continue button. Etherscan will retrieve your contract information. Ensure you select the correct contract from the list provided. Next, choose the Solidity compiler version that was used to compile your contract. Select the appropriate license type for your smart contract. In the Select an Optimizer section, specify if you enabled optimization during compilation. If you used optimization, ensure you check the corresponding box. Now, paste the complete source code of your smart contract into the provided text box. If your contract imports other files, you will need to include those as well. Make sure your code is properly formatted and contains no syntax errors. Next, scroll down to the Constructor Arguments section. If your contract has constructor parameters, input the ABI encoded arguments here. If it has none, you can skip this step. Review all the information you inputted for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click on the Verify and Publish button. Etherscan will start the verification process. Wait for Etherscan to confirm the verification status. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message. Your contract is now published on Etherscan, allowing others to view your source code. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth verification process for your smart contract. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.